today I want to bring another solar panel for the Arlo Pro 2. This is for the version 2. If you guys can see it, they actually also give you a 3-pack of charging station because I already have a couple Arlos. So let's go and take a look at what I'm talking about. So far you got the Arlo. They give you an Arlo like a adapter for a plastic adapter, so you can mount their stuff in here. Guidance on how to set them up into the actual system. Very important thing they say here in the instructions, that you got to make sure you power it on, and the power button's right here. Off and on. Right now it's plugged in, and this is heavy duty. It's all metallic, it's all aluminum based on the sides. Really hardcore, water resistance, waterproof, and airproof, because it's so aerodynamic, is small as it is. So they give you the adapter so you can hang them in here, and we're gonna set that up right now. They give you 3 of them, if you guys can see it. They even give you the actual fixtures for the actual cable to put them on the side panels. If you guys can see, you go hammer them in, little tiny ones, all right, for your cables. Which is perfect for what we're gonna do it with. So let's go ahead and set this up, and try not to give too much slack. We're gonna set it up, and here's the adapter. I don't know if it's gonna work because it looks a little different from the other cameras, but we're gonna try see if it could, and we're gonna modify this and plug it in. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. See, there's the Arlo camera right there that we have, but I gotta charge it every time, so that's another problem that I have. So we're gonna set something up right there where it actually could charge the actual system. We're gonna probably put the panel right here where it captures a lot of the sun. So let's go ahead and do that. Perfect fit, if you guys can see it. It's still a little dirty because it's been there outdoors for quite a while. So it is picking up, if you guys can see, the actual charging station perfectly. It looks like no water is gonna be coming in here. So for an Arlo 2 Pro, it's not bad. It fit in perfect. You guys can see, I thought it wasn't gonna fit because of the little rubber end, but it went in, slipped in, it fits in perfect. Now we're gonna mount this up. Right, let's go ahead and do that. Go here first. We don't have a drill right now, so there we go. Get back out. Get in there. If you don't have a drill, just drill a little bit. Then grab a little bit more, and we should be good. That should do it. That's one. All right, here's the hard part. Crank this up. Twist this in. We could even tie up some of the slack around it if you want to. If you don't have too much of a... Oops. Alright, we're gonna tie this, tuck it in there. It's too much excessive cable, so we don't need them. Go one level higher. Don't try this at home, kids. Not without anybody watching. So if you ever want to set something like this up, it's not that very difficult. It's very simple. We're gonna take a look, see if it's actually charging. You can take a look at it from your phone. It'll tell you if it's charging there. So I'm gonna see if I can put it here in the corner. But if you guys can see, I have the solar panel perfectly lined up for capturing the majority of the day light. It works well. Even if it's cloudy, it'll still capture some of the stuff. I'm a big fan of solar panels. I have a lot of objects and devices that work on solar panel, and in this case I don't have to charge it every month. It automatically charges by itself. It pays for itself pretty much. Now, a thing that I like to do is I like to have the system automatically track anything that comes into this section to notify me. That's the only reason that it drains out the battery, but other than that, we're not going to have that issue no more, hopefully.